Hello, welcome to Kipesha Cooks. Today we have to make salad using carrots, pepper. This is yellow pepper, bell pepper. There's green bell pepper. There is onions, just what you have in your fridge, and 2 tomatoes. We are trying to make garden salad, which I presume is the easiest salad to make, and lettuce. So we are going to cut it up. And I will start with the lettuce. You can cut your lettuce into small stripes like I am going to, or you can decide to just have it cut in big chunks. Whatever is comfortable with you, you can go ahead and do it. So when that is ready, I'll just put it in my salad bowl. And then for the carrot, you're going to remove the skin and grate your carrot like so, and add it into your salad bowl. For your onion, you want your onion to be in strips. So we are going to cut in this way, like you see. And also add that into your bowl. For your tomatoes, you also want to cut them into strips. Add into your bowl. Let me wash my chopping board, and then we'll begin with peppers. So with the bell peppers, apparently there's a secret to choosing the best and the sweetest pepper. You are supposed to choose the one that has 4, let me call them butts, but they have 4 little points instead of the ones that are 3. The ones that are 4 means that they are female and they're usually sweeter. So that's a hack that I was taught in the market as I was buying, so you can also employ that as you look for bell peppers. At this point, if you also have red pepper, you can use. Instead, you can use both green, yellow, and red, or green and red, or yellow and red, whatever you have in your fridge or in your pantry. or in your grocery store. You're going to mix that into your bowl. So now with a fork or with a cooking stick, you're going to give it a good mix so that everything is incorporated. So once it's done or you're satisfied with your mixture, it's going to look like this. It's so colorful and the flavors unimaginable. So this is how it looks. Make sure you use very fresh lettuce, because garden salad is all about the crunchiness. So for my homemade dressing for the salad, you can add mayonnaise, and also you can add mustard. This is improvised salad dressing. You can choose to mix it in your bowl of salad like the way I've done, or mix it on the side. So if you want your salad to stay longer, do not have this mix in the salad. Maybe you can do it separately and store it separately. So here we are, guys, and you have your garden salad ready to serve, ready to eat. It's a simple recipe that you can try at home. Subscribe. I hope you enjoyed.